In this video, I will show how to buy shares of Simpson Manufacturing Co Inc, ticker SSD. Simpson Manufacturing Co Inc produces structural building products and construction connectors. The company is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SSD. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document. You will also need to add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SSD to find the listing. Confirm you select Simpson Manufacturing Co Inc from the search results to avoid similar names or ADRs. Make sure the exchange shows NASDAQ. Open the Simpson Manufacturing Co Inc asset page to review basic company information and a price chart. Check the company summary, recent price action, and that the ticker SSD matches NASDAQ. Confirm this is the correct stock before proceeding. Click Invest or Trade and enter the amount you want to allocate to SSD. Review the order details, including order type and cost, then confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as a pending order until it opens. If you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add more before the purchase completes. Once executed, the SSD position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the broker link is in the description if you want to explore further.